Today, let's see how to make guacamole at home. For this, we need a fresh avocado. Be careful while choosing an avocado. Always choose a fully ripened avocado because when you mash it, it will be easy. Using a sharp knife, cut the avocado into 2 equal halves. Avocado is an excellent source of monosaturated fat and it helps to protect against heart diseases and also lower the blood pressure. It also helps to lower your cholesterol. After cutting it into 2 halves, using a spoon, take the flesh out of the avocado. And then, using a fork, mash the avocado as much as you can. To the mashed avocado, I'm squeezing some garden fresh lemon into it. After squeezing some lemon, we need to add some onions. Here I've taken fresh white onions, cut them into very small slices and then add it to the avocado. Then add some garden fresh chili into it. I've removed the seeds out of it because otherwise it will be too hot. Next, we add some tomatoes into it. Here I've used my garden fresh tomatoes and I'm removing the seed out of it because otherwise it will become a bit watery. We don't want it to be watery. So remove the seeds and cut it in small pieces and add it to your guacamole. and then sprinkle some salt and pepper to it. And then give it a good mix. Your fresh homemade guacamole is ready. Thank you for watching Nature Way. Don't forget to subscribe.